Here's a list of 10 vegetables known for their potential to help clean arteries and promote heart health. 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like vitamin K, folate, and potassium, leafy greens help reduce blood pressure and lower the risk of heart disease. The possible health benefits of consuming spinach include improving blood glucose control in people with diabetes, lowering the risk of cancer, and improving bone health. 2. Broccoli. Packed with antioxidants, including sulforaphane and fiber, broccoli supports heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and inflammation. Broccoli contains many vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Broccoli's benefits include helping reduce inflammation, keeping blood sugar stable, and strengthening the immune system. 3. Brussels sprouts. High in fiber and antioxidants, Brussels sprouts can lower cholesterol levels and promote heart health. 4. Carrots. Rich in beta-carotene and antioxidants, carrots contribute to heart health by reducing oxidative stress and improving cholesterol levels. Carrots contain many nutrients, including beta-carotene and antioxidants, that may support your overall health as part of a nutrient-rich diet. 5. Tomatoes. Loaded with lycopene and potassium, tomatoes can help lower LDL cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Tomatoes are the major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. 6. Bell peppers. High in antioxidants like vitamin C and quercetin, bell peppers support heart health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Bell peppers, Capsicum annuum, are fruits that belong to the nightshade family. They are low in calories and rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, making them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. 7. Garlic. Known for its cardiovascular benefits, garlic helps lower cholesterol, blood pressure, and reduces the risk of plaque buildup in arteries. Garlic is a plant in the allium, onion, family. It's closely related to onions, shallots, and leeks. Each segment of a garlic bulb is called a clove. There are about 10-20 cloves in a single bulb, give or take. Garlic grows in many parts of the world and is a popular ingredient in cooking due to its strong smell and delicious taste. 8. Onions. Contain antioxidants and flavonoids that support heart health by reducing inflammation, lowering cholesterol, and improving blood pressure. Onions may provide potential health benefits. These may include reducing the risk of several types of cancer, improving mood, and maintaining skin and hair health. Onions belong to the allium family of plants, which also includes chives, garlic, and leeks. These vegetables have characteristic pungent flavors and some medicinal properties. 9. Asparagus. Rich in antioxidants and fiber, asparagus can help lower blood pressure and prevent blood clots, promoting heart health. Garden asparagus, the most economically important species of the genus, is cultivated in most temperate and subtropical parts of the world. As a vegetable, it has been prized by epicures since Roman times. It is most commonly served cooked, either hot or in salad. 10. Avocado. High in healthy fats, potassium, and antioxidants, avocados can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. An avocado is a bright green fruit with a large pit and dark leathery skin. It's also known as alligator pear or butterfruit. Avocados are a favorite of the produce section. They're the go-to ingredient for guacamole dips. And they're turning up in everything from salads and wraps to smoothies and even brownies. Incorporating these vegetables into a balanced diet can contribute to better heart health. However, it's important to note that while these foods have heart-healthy properties, overall lifestyle choices, including regular exercise, stress management, and a well-rounded diet, are crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health. Consulting a healthcare professional for personalized advice is always recommended for managing heart health.